हर सेकंड उर्दू में मानेंगे। ये हम लोग के लिए बहुत बहुत दुख का बात है। उर्दू मूवमेंट के लिए अभी हमको प्रमोद ने बताया करीब 5,000 लोग मौत हुआ है, मारा है, स्वस्थ हुआ है। हम लोग बुद्धू नेशन 5,000 स्वस्थ हुआ है। बहुत सीरियस बात। और 20,000 वो जेल में डाला हुआ है। It's very serious. Today's function, first of all, I want to congratulate the APSU for organizing this beautiful 32nd Monday Day. हम लोग प्लीज after the president Kumar GS Lawrence और हमारा इमेजिन देश और NFS का सेक्रेटरी मनीष कामत जी, सानिया जी and all the leaders of the dice and all the others, especially my dear young students, young generation. On behalf of myself, on behalf of my family, on behalf of my government, on behalf of my people and movement, I would like to give my heartiest thanks and congratulations for inviting me on this 32nd Monday. As you know, I am involved in the movement since 1982. For I passed out my Madhyamik exam, ICS exam. I passed out my ICS exam 1983. Since then, till today, I am fighting, I am struggling for the cause of our people, for the cause of society. And I know I have visited several places in Gujarat. I have been in Kukraja several times, and I remember first my visit in Gujarat in Bogayanao when our CG Borno was the president of APSU. I was invited as a speaker. There are thousands and thousands of people, boys and girls, old and young, are present here. I still remember. In that very period, Buddha were fighting each other, killing each other, warring each other among the Buddha people. I was told, you give a speech of reconciliation, fellow feeling, not to kill among ourselves. I know there is Buddha movement. Many people are killed, not by other people, by our own people. हम लोग ये शत्रु कौन है? दुश्मन नहीं, अपना जात, अपना आदमी, अपना रिश्तेदार, हम लोग का दुश्मन है। बहुत दुख का बात है, बहुत दुख का बात है। क्यों for Buddha's future. There is no limit to Buddha's future except Buddha land. If you do not achieve your target, if you achieve Buddha land successfully, I think and I firmly believe one day, today, tomorrow, the Buddha people will perish. Will vanish. We have a little example. Then you write today. Kandapuri, Rajmukh Singh, that goes to Paris. There was a Bengal. We have one own people. One there, the royal family, the kingdom. There is no more.